Well, there were no coronavirus deaths to report in LA County for the second day in a row. And cases and deaths are so low, the county could move into the state's least restrictive yellow COVID tier by Thursday. And that would mean expanded capacity for indoor venues and outdoor events, including gyms, bars, and amusement parks. Masks will still be mandatory at all venues, and masks could remain mandatory for quite some time.
It's because we are not at herd immunity yet, say scientists, and experts also say if more people don't get vaccinated, we won't get there.
Well, CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen is live now from Koreatown with more. Jeff?
Pat and Jeff, about an hour ago, LA City Hall sent out this alert to say that LA County residents don't need an appointment for vaccination if you're 16 and older. This as mobile clinics go into under-resourced communities, while some experts fear that herd immunity won't be attainable anytime soon.
Oh, sweet, I'm vaxxed.
Jared Floyd was on his way to get coffee when he walked by a pop-up COVID vaccination clinic at Brazil Center in Koreatown. So he walked in.
It's time. It couldn't have been more accessible.
About 37% of LA County's residents have been fully vaccinated, far from what's needed for so-called herd immunity, which some public health officials say may not be attainable.
So I'm less concerned about, is there one number we absolutely have to reach than I am about making sure people understand just how much protection they have with this vaccine.
Dr. Jeffrey Klausner is a professor of clinical medicine at USC's Keck School of Medicine. He says LA County may not have reached the 80% rate of vaccination yet, but the immunity created by natural infections during the surge in January and February, coupled with inoculations so far, have to be factored in.
So I think, in some places, particularly actually in Los Angeles County now, we may have actually reached herd immunity, certainly in some geographic areas.
At this mobile clinic run by St. John's Well Child and Family Center, staff members say the biggest hurdle to vaccination isn't hesitancy.
But when we're out here in the neighborhoods talking to people, it's about access, because they get out of work at 3-4 p.m. and they don't have the time to go wait in Dodger Stadium.
You want to meet folks where they are. There's no reason why, anyone shouldn't be vaxxed.
So in addition to no appointment necessary, it's important to remember that vaccination is free and that your legal status does not matter. We're live in Koreatown. Jeff Nguyen, CBS 2 News.
Jeff, thank you.